Thank you, Mr. Raskoff and President Obama, for taking my question. As a real estate investor, I'm concerned about how in the past Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have restricted the ability of me and my counterparts to purchase and resell properties. Local real estate investors play a vital role in rehabilitating American communities and contribute to our country's economic recovery by providing jobs and paying taxes. John Grant of our Distressed Property Coalition worked with the Federal Housing Finance Agency, FHFA, and supported the new standard short sale program last year. However, are you aware that there are profit restrictions, holding requirements, and skewed valuation guidelines that are restricting free enterprise and thereby limiting incentives for my fellow rehabbers from buying, fixing, and reselling? In other industries, do you see florists purchasing flowers and being prohibited from making only a 20% profit when they resell an arrangement of flowers? Or do you see car dealers fixing up cars and being required to hold that car for 90 or 120 days before reselling it? Or do you impose guidelines on American airplane buyers saying that they will only look at new model retail prices to value a plane when the plane that they want to purchase is older, damaged, or has title issues that cannot be cleared up for months? That's not free enterprise, but that's what's happening in our industry. Can we get these issues addressed, and what changes can we expect to see with the FHFA and the unwinding of Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac? Thank you so much for your time.